What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. For today's hairstyle, we're gonna be doing YBN Cordae.
Let me tell you how I come through with the 1-2, kicking shit like kung fu. Treat a bad bitch like she average. I'm a savage, little hoe. What you want do?
Okay, so first, I gotta like clean this or something, bro. I haven't done anything. I basically just woke up and yeah, my hair has been untouched for the past 2 days. I didn't do nothing to it, comb it out, nothing. So really quickly, I think I'm just gonna wash it, and then after I wash it, then I'll start, because then it'll be easier for me to do all the combing and stuff like that. But that's what I'm gonna do really quickly.
Hey, cook it up, whip it up faster. Diamonds cold, sweater shit from Alaska. Hey, I'm getting close to disaster. Hey, boy, tell that shit to my past. Ain't it sober? You a lame, a joker. You can't catch me. Plus my flow is nasty, and my name is vulgar. YBN.
All right, so finally finished combing out all my hair, or brushing through it, whatever. And I had to look at his Instagram to find out how exactly his hair is parted, and his twists are really. They look big, but they're probably not that big. So I'm gonna show you a good enough way of how to do it, how to part first. And what I'm gonna do is, because it's late right now, I'm going to section all my parts for the twist and then leave them like that. He does more than one hairstyle. One is half braids and a puff, and then one is half two-strand and a puff, and then all two-strand. I haven't seen him do all braid, but I'm pretty sure he has. He probably does like me and gets lazy, so only does half of it, but that's cool with me. I would definitely do that, because by the time you finish one side, it's like, bro, I'm tired. I don't want to do the rest now. I'm going to show you how to part it on this side first, and then I'm gonna start. I don't know if I'm gonna do the braid thing. No, I just show you with the two-strand how he does the puff thing, or I'll show you an example, and then I'll do the other side when I finish this side.
What is life without love? What's life without dreams? What's life without goals? Everything ain't what it seems. What's life without friends who remain genuine? Don't care about the money or what type of crib you in. Who can withstand the test of time? That's just a guess of mine. Here in real life, homie, this is not a set design. Not on TV screens or the magazine covers. Sitting and observing as the travesty flutters. While we gotta beef shit, I'd rather be brothers. Trips.
Alright. So you have one side. So you want to part this in the middle. I probably have to do this with my hands. You want to part it from right about here. Didn't see that. I'm gonna use my hand first and then use a comb, because it's easier for me to do it straight back with my hand. And this is why you comb through your hair, because everything is easier. When you go through, make sure most of the hair goes on towards the side that has less. So do like that. These are your two parts, or your two first parts. Take the one that you're not going to be twisting first and move it to the side. thought my camera cut off for a minute, but I flipped the screen. Alright. Huh, that looks cool. Okay, now that you have this, you want to have each one maybe about pinky size. Well, I have big fingers, so like finger size for you people with average fingers. So I would do my first one about here. Okay, that was really skinny. This one is really skinny. See, like this, if you look at it, like when it goes together, it's gonna be like that big. So that's too skinny. So get a little bit more in. So like this might be enough for the first twist. And what I mean by just section them all out is just get it all together and then just like clip it. And then move on to the next one. Alright, so now that we've finished all of this first side, you kind of want, I keep looking back at his pictures. I can't find a picture of like his hair. Okay, well, it's not that complicated. I'm making it more complicated than it is. But basically, you don't want them too big, you don't want them too small. So I would say, right about here, still pinky length. Oh, that part looks terrible. Okay, so you see here, we have the first one, and from this one, you just want to keep the same thing going all the way back.
Few inches later.
Okay, so now that I have all my parts done, and I'm getting tired, well, it's time to add color and then twist. So we're gonna start with the far end, which is this side. And just take off the first one. So when you twist them, I have that what I'm gonna use. You could use a gel, like Eco Styler gel, and like some type of curling thing. I'm gonna use this, some curling jelly. Focus, yep. Curling jelly and this, because I do not have, what's that thing called? Gel, but it's a locking thing, so it's gonna work the same for me today. And for my color, like always, I have, this is, oh wow, that's not gonna show. Okay, there it is. This is the gold one. Hopefully, I have to stir it up a little bit, but hopefully when I put it in my hair, it turns a little bit more brown, although it doesn't matter because his hair is kind of bright. I'm gonna put the curling jelly and the wax on there and comb it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the coloring on and then twist it. Now that it's combed out, we're gonna take some of the color. I just put a little bit on my fingers. Is that ever gonna focus? Well, you get the gist. It's gold. I didn't realize that I have to twist from the bottom and then it's gonna get all over the hair. Okay, so changing plans. The next time I do a hair, I'm going to twist it first and then put the coloring in. Alright, when you twist it, make sure you have even bits in your hand. So, around the even amount. And then you want to twist from as close to the bottom as you can, tightly. And try to hold all the other hair out the way. And then you twist. Yep, that was the test one. That's the messed up one. We're gonna do another one.
As soon as I said that stupid shit, my gun had slipped into his grip. My nigga, I plead the fifth, not needing this, man. I got a dip date. I just paid off on my debt. I get them big checks, that's changing my life. I need a little respect, just cut up a check, just look at my ice. So
Big J back on this track.
I'm going to twist through all of them, then come back and add color, because this one is all messed up. So once I finish that, I will be back.
yeah, my mom put me in karate for like a week. I used to be a big Michael Jackson fan when I was young. So she took me out in like a week because I used to like just dance in the mirrors and shit. And then she like put me in boxing and shit. I used to box from like 12 to 14 and shit. So them hands is alright. You know what I'm saying?
I'm back. I finished twisting the first side. And now I'm gonna add in the color. Hopefully it looks right. So what I'm gonna do is just take the color, take it from like the middle maybe, and twist it and pull it down, I guess. So I put in the color, and some looking okay. Some of these ones on the side are too fat and I have to make them skinnier, but they're fine for now. And I'm gonna show you guys really quickly his first style. So this is the first look. Not that bad. I don't think I would ever go to school like this though, because it's crazy. Well, maybe because the twists are crazy. These ones are okay. These ones are kind of fat. So, this is the first look.
fucking Louis Vuitton. All cause I invested in studio time. Who fucking knew he can rhyme? And we can just get it all day, yeah, you knew he can shine. Okay, me and Juice WRLD, you can call me Minute Maid. I penetrate, I innovate, I've been afraid, I've been a gorilla. You're Coachella, not Coachella, but I'm more better. I need more cheddar cause I need my mama new house, get a blue house, no section 8. Cause I remember better days, forever straight. I elevate the weather straight cause we in Cali, nigga, in a Denali, nigga, on the tour bus. I'm like, Juice, thank you, cause really this your bus. I need more bus. I'm like, more bus.
So I will show you guys the final look tomorrow after I finish. What's going on, guys? I am back after I finished everything. I like literally just finished. That's why some of them are still sticking out and stuff. But I just finished it. The brown is not as, I mean, technically it's not brown at all, it's gold, but it's not like how I want it. And I did more twist on this side than this side. I don't like anything brown or gold or blonde on my hair because it never looks good. Like, I look better with like blue and purple, red, anything but gold and blonde and brown. But I do it anyways. But this is it. I don't like this. I like this side better. So yeah, I got tired, so I didn't like part this side. I just did it. But yeah, I want to put some red on it and see if it would do something cool. So I have my red one here. I have this red one. Red, 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 red. Oh wow, look at that. Yes, I have this one. And I want to see if it does something cool to a twist. If you like the YBN Cordae style, leave a like and suggest more people with different hairstyles so that I can find some other people. I know about 3 or 4 people I'm gonna do next, and that's pretty much it for this video though. I'm gonna do a twist out video next with these colors in them because it looks cool. But I guess I will see you guys next time. Peace.
For all my enemies. Yeah, nigga, I came from the dirt, sipping up dirt. Why the fans wanna hurt?